Ground station replanning and blind flight are the final subjects in the drone license exam. Students can use the EFT ground station for daily training or the exam. First, confirm that the drone is connected to the ground station. Then, draw the flight route according to the examiner's instructions. Set parameters such as flight altitude, and click Upload. Then click one-click takeoff.
飞机即将起飞，
After the drone takes off and hovers, click Start.
即将开始航线飞行，正在飞往1点，已飞到1点，正在飞往2点，已飞到2点。
When the examiner issues a replanning instruction, click pause and plan the route according to the examiner's instructions, such as adding points between waypoints. Note that after setting, you need to re-upload, then return to the homepage, click Add Point and fly to it to set parameters such as altitude and speed. When the drone flies along the planned route, the replanning test is complete. Next is the blind flight test. The examiner will interrupt the flight at any point along the route. The student must remember the return point and the drone's current position and manually return the drone. The examiner can click the small eye icon in the top status bar to hide the flight path. The student can then refer to the data shown on the compass and use the remote controller to return the drone. If the direction is correct, the blind flight test is passed, and all assessment items for the drone license are now complete.